I'm going to put Jenny in the washing machine to scare her. Ha 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 ha. Jenny, come down here.
Yes.
Ha 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 ha.
Brandon. Get your ass over here right now.
Oh my god, oh.
Brandon. How dare you push Jenny inside the washing machine? You know that is fucking dangerous. That's it. I'm gonna execute you.
Frightmare, I'm sorry.
I don't give a damn.
Now you're dead, cause we killed you, we took you by surprise. We just saw you roam.
Devil Frightmare. Why is Brandon laying on the floor?
Because he putted Jenny inside the washing machine and almost killed her, so I force choked him to death.
Well, I guess that's a little understandable, but he kinda deserved it. Let's celebrate.
You just got boned, FTW. Now you're dead, cause we killed you, we took you by surprise. We just saw you